Hello everyone, today we will be making this 3D model using this 2D sketch. So let's go. So first what we will be doing is that we will going to new parts and then sketch. So let's go, sketch, then front plane. Now here what we will be making first is that on the side view you can clearly see that L shape. So first we will be making this L shape. So let's go. Okay, now here and the last one. Okay, done. Now we need to define it. So let's go to smart dimensioning and we will define it. We will define it according to the sketch we are having. So 90 it is. So let's go. We will define everything. This is 25. Similarly here 25. And then okay, the length is not defined here. It is not provided here, so we will choose 200 mm. Let's go. Okay, done. Now we can see the side plane. From the side plane the L shape is done, so we need to extract it. So let's go, extrude from both sides, and we have to extrude both sides with 50 mm. So done. Now our L shape is ready. So after this you can clearly see the corners. We are using a fillet for the corners to make them round. So it is of 25 mm radius. So let's go, done. Similarly on the other side also we need to do 25 mm. So let's go, first, then second, done. 25 mm radius, now done. Okay, so it has been done. Now we need to make the holes, all the 4 holes that are present there. So let's go, the first hole, done. You can see the holes are of 20 mm diameter. So let's go. First we need to define these 2 circles. It is of 20 mm, and similarly for the other side also it is of 20 mm diameter. Now we will be defining it. What we will be doing is that we will be making it concentric with the curve. Let's go. Similarly on the other side also 25 and concentric 19. Okay, done. We need to go to extrude cut and we will go to through all. Now done. You can clearly see the holes are here. Now done. We need to do the same thing on the other side of the L. Let's go. Similarly here 2 circles, then we will define them using smart dimensioning. Let's go, 20 and 20. Similarly what we have done on the other side, we need to make it concentric. Now done. So let's go. Okay. It is ready. We will be making this extrude cut here now. We're done with the extrude cut. Now what is left is the upper part. So let's go. For that we need a plane. So for that, as you can see, the plane is at 45 degree. So we will be selecting the two different side of L and making, and there is option you can clearly see flip upside. So what it is going to do is that it is going to make 45 degree with the upper side of the plane. Okay, let's go. Here we need to sketch it as we can see in the sketch provided. Let's go. The width is going to be of 80 mm, which is provided, and the length is going to be of 95 mm. Okay, let's go. But the 95 mm is included with the semicircle, so it is not going to be of pure 95 mm. It is going to be 95 mm minus the radius. So let's go, which is 40 mm. We will defining it all. First we need what for making that semicircle we need a reference. So for that we are using the reference line. Okay, done. Now it is done. We just need to define it fully. Let's go smart dimensioning, and this is going to be of about 95 minus 40. Done. Okay, we need to extrude it, and we will be extruding it up to, okay, first we need to select the part which we need to extrude, and we will be extruding it not going to be with blind. We are going to use up to next. Okay, done. It has been done. Now what we have to do is that we need to hide this plane. Okay, now we will be sketching on the new surface that we have just generated. Let's go. We will be making that through hole which is there of 30 mm diameter, and for that we need a reference line. So let's go. Our reference line is ready. Okay, now we are going to make the circle. Okay, and we will be defining it. So let's go. We will be defining it with smart dimensioning. It is 30, and you can clearly see the distance of the center of this circle from the edge. That is going to be of 75 mm. Okay, done. We are going to use features and then extrude cut and through all. Done. It is already through all. Okay, done. Okay, what left is that cutout of 15 into 15 mm. So let's go. We are going to select the side, go to sketch, and we will be making that 15 into 15 mm. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Done. So let's go, guys. Okay, done with 15, and again 15. Okay, it has been done. Now we will be making the distance. The distance is 25 mm. You can clearly see. So let's go. Make it, okay, make it 25 mm. 25. Done. Now go to features, then extrude cut, and then through all. Done. It has been done. Okay, thank you. Bye.